I've come across a six-figure opportunity in the travel industry. And if you love traveling, you cannot pass this up. So this is new. It just launched last week, and I couldn't wait to tell you about this because I love traveling. I love earning money from my phone, and now you can put them both together and you can build your life how you want it and finally ditch that day job. What I love about this opportunity is you can be an affiliate for this opportunity for $79, and then after that it's $59 a month, and you are going to save big when it comes to traveling. So if you love to travel, don't miss this opportunity. But maybe you're like, meh, I don't want to do this business thing, Dee, but I do want to earn discounts on traveling. You can also be a customer for just $59 a month. Now, for those entrepreneurs, if you love earning money from your phone, what I'm going to let you know, this is a 2x16 matrix. So what you need to do and how you can earn is simply by finding two people and to teach them exactly what you're doing and then keep duplicating that. I don't want to sit here and say this is simple, but this is easy. And if you work this like a business, it's going to be life-changing. So like I said, you can be an affiliate for this, or you can be a customer. There's multiple options. If you become an affiliate, you're going to earn 7 different ways. Isn't that freaking amazing? And again, find two people, duplicate that, help them find two people. This is amazing. If you would like to learn more, I have it in my stand store. Check it out. I have several different videos. And if you want to ask more questions, you can just email me, but make sure you comment below if you are ready, or just go to my stand store and get started today, because you want to lock in your spot and start learning how you can earn money right from your phone and travel and get the best deals out there right now. Don't miss this. Make sure you run to that stand store.